Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Wednesday, middle of the week. Market is still strong, market is still behaving nicely. Hey, Harry. Hey, Darren. Hey, Robert. Hey, Andre. Well, thank you, Andre. Thank you. Well, let's start as usual with Bitcoin on CME. You know me. You know what I'll do usually the same thing over and over again. Hey, Stefan. Morning. Okay, so pump, 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 dump, and back at 110. We are here and we are consolidating this level. If we are consolidating this level, that doesn't mean we'll not break down. We are trying to hold 110. We discussed this last week. We are discussing now. At any point in time, it's possible to go back down in the pump chaser zone, clean a little bit, and make a W here in the pump chaser zone. But for the moment, we are holding that level, which is nice for some altcoins. You can see some altcoins are pumping, recovering. Hey, Orson. So, if it's a range, if it's consolidating, let's play the range game, no? You have the definition on how you should play the range game in the general chat. I just put it there. So, go and search it. Should be close to the last message. Indicators here. Well, you can see they are trying to make some W's on RSI. They are trying to do some W's on OBV. So nothing bad. Nothing bad at all. Actually, OBV has some W's. So I'm okay with what I see on the chart. Now, that CME chart. Let's take a look at classic chart. You can see the W's here. You can see this is a W. Not the best one. You can call it inverse head and shoulder, but you can see shoulder, head, shoulder. It's not perfect, but it's there. We have some bullish divergence here. A little bit, but not the best. We have something here in the head. Ethereum. Like we discussed over and over again last couple of times. We are trapped here between this level and this level. We can call this a range. And we should play the range. Not this one. This one. This was a deviation. Okay? And this one. And you can see the middle of the range well respected. Probably if Bitcoin will dump a little bit, we'll push Ethereum back at $4,000 here. Maybe a bit lower. You can see the Wyckoff check level. Well, let's rename this one properly. Wyckoff check. There you go. So, testing this level, nothing bad about it. We reached all the targets we need to reach. You can see AB equals CD, AB equals CD. And now we are getting in the price discovery. We got a retracement, a rejection here. But don't be tricked. The market is still strong. Market is consolidating below the all-time high. Come on. On lower time frame, play the range game. Every time you see the market coming back down here, hunt long ideas. Where every time you see the market pushing to the all-time high, exit the longs at least 50%. Shorting here is dangerous, but well, it's doable. With proper risk management is doable. Okay, next one, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. In the same place for the last week. And the volatility is getting out. That means if I'll put something like this on 4-hour chart, what do you see here? How do we call this one? What is next? Who can tell me? Stefan, we are the best. Exactly. It's one of the cases we can use Bollinger Bands successfully. They're squeezing, they're pushing, and at some point in time, you'll see the you'll see the volatility exploding all of the sudden. And let's look left, people. We didn't have a compression like this from July 25. So something will happen. We'll break to the downside and we'll reach this target. Possibly, why not? Let's hide this one. Let's go back on daily. Yeah, we can hold this level, but we need some W's. I don't see W's here, not yet. We can drop with GAN 50-50 exactly in this level. Nice confluence if you look left. So yeah, we can go 50% of the move in the 50% of the time and then make a W. No volatility here. So something will explode soon enough. Bitcoin dominance. It's trying to hold 58, but you can see, didn't manage to make this W and is breaking down. 55, I think it's a target. In my view, 55, it's a target. Well, I don't know. People, you can hear me okay or? Catalin? Seems like Michael doesn't hear me. Well, put the volume a bit higher, man. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm lower than usual YouTube videos audio, that's for sure. But I prefer it that way. Who wants to hear me can put it a bit higher, not to break your ears. Okay, dominance 55. We can zoom out and we can see we have a lot of room to go down. After we'll go below 50% at some point in time. Below 50% will be time to think about taking profit off. Until then, no. It's still buying area for some altcoins. Yes, strong, a new high, a new day, a new high. You know how this goes. Pay attention in this area. I'm not saying to chase here. It's dangerous. I told you multiple times. It's the top of the channel. We can explode and do a dark maul or make a big wick there. Yes. But it's okay for a swing trader to touch this market? No. As a day trader, you can go long, short, all day long. But I'll say it again. As I warned you here, I'm warning you here. Don't be greedy. Gold. Gold was strong. You can see my range. Yeah, this is my range. High of the range. Low of the range. I consider this one the range. And I have 25% deviation. Well, my 25% deviation is respected. I like that. Pay attention on this one. If we'll form a 3-bar fractal top, well, watch out. It's not the right time to buy gold or even silver. Well, maybe silver a little bit, but no, still not. Don't chase in the top, people. I showed you multiple examples why you should not chase the markets. Do whatever you want. Silver. Silver is stronger and will probably push a lot higher. But silver is, in the same time, people, in my experience, silver is hard to trade. The only thing I do on silver, I bought some bars and some coins and that's it. I'm not trading silver. I don't want to do anything on silver. Total market cap fighting the same level. I see the W here. You can see it's confirming. Let's put the line chart. Now, we have a W. We have the W, but also this is a consolidation here. I want to see the market above this high to say, well, we'll go to the moon. Nice signs here. Stopped at support. Made a W, which is nice. Total 3 similar. You can see the strength here, waiting to explode above this all-time high. Soon enough, hopefully Bitcoin will hold the level. Hopefully. And then we can push higher. Okay, so that's the overview for today. Shitcoins, all over the place. If you remember, we discussed something about a shitcoin on lower time frame. Yeah? And I said they are delisting it from Binance and probably they'll squeeze the lemon. Probably they'll squeeze all the late shorters. Yeah? And look what happened. It's not the only one. We have Bake that is doing the same fucking thing. People, put it in your journal, and next time when you see a delisting, you go and see if we have it on other exchanges or you can trade it somewhere else. If yes, then expect a move like this. Everyone was short, everyone was thinking he's dead, and look what happened. That makes it bullish? No. But we'll clean all the stop losses here. And this one was behaving nice. Could go all the way up to take a lot of levels. If you are long, close to the bottom, well, you'll be a happy camper. If you are not long, don't fucking chase pumps like this. Okay? Morning manners. Please don't chase pump like this. I showed you a perfect example why you should not chase pumps. Huh? I think Pyth was one of them, no? Remember Pyth? This one. I said, don't chase it. Don't be the last one to buy. Wait in the long reload zone. There you go. Well, okay, stop me out from my trade here, but that's a different thing. Chasing wasn't a solution. And now it's making big W's and probably will pump back up. It's too late here. If you manage to get a position in the long reload zone, then yeah. If you are an investor, that's a different story. Let's go back here. So when you see the listings from Binance, because it's a big exchange and people are putting a lot of weight on that, well, expect move like this. How you can trade something like this? Well, you'll say, well, everyone sold. Let's buy on spot a little bit. And if you bought here, let's say you bought at 4 cents. Well, I don't know if this one will die completely or will succeed, but let's buy 0.5, 1% from my portfolio at the lows. Why? Because I have a high probability that this one in time will bounce at least to double. And I'll have a free position for life. And look at it. 4 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents, and so on. So that's the method. There are multiple ones, but anyway. Portal, look at it. I'll say it again and again. I don't think has any point to do that. Alt, similar. Comp, similar. This one had a pump and dump. ENA, strong. Yeah, we are in this trade. We are in this trade. We made nice money on ENA. We have a lot of spot bags. It's more than enough. Just hold and make money. DYDX, all over the place. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah? Still doable on higher time frame. eGold is trying to form a bottom. I still have the order at $10. We are long on this one. We are long on this one, forming the bottom. When you see people, when you see charts that look like this, pay attention. Buy the W's. Just look at it. Pump, dump below the lows, and then consolidate and make W's. That's how a bottom is forming. And look at the OBV. A lot of coins are looking similar, and nobody is paying attention. Yeah, I said about this one. There you go. A dead coin. It's dead. Let's put weekly. No, this is a dead coin. Nobody wants to buy it. I'm interested. I even posted on Premium. Why? I want to buy something like this. Has nice risk to reward. If we'll go even in short reload zone, is close to the bottom. Is making W's. Why not? Don't sell your house, don't sell your car, don't sell your dog, don't sell your cat to buy a shitcoin like this. But put a little bit of money. sell half on a double. If you have you say, well, I'm not buying with coffee money, Paul. I'll put a decent 1% from my portfolio. Okay, do that. Sell half on a double from 8 cents to 16 cents. It's damn close. Look at there. Sell half on a double, put your money back in your account, and you have a free position for life. If this one will cure cancer and will be better than the hot water and so on, then there you go, you'll make money. And in the same time, you have your money back in your account. Doesn't get better than free, people. It's a free position. Kidneys to that. Well, people, doesn't worth the time and effort to mention the scammers, but I'll do it. Yeah, we had a scammer in VIP that he pretend to be someone else. Actually, he pretend to be a new guy, and he's protecting his real name. But actually, he was a scammer. I suspected that, and yesterday I kicked him out from the community. That's a reminder for everyone. If it's not me or Stefan, and even me and Stefan, yeah, you should pay attention. You should not click on the links. You should not give money. You should do your own diligence and make your own decisions. Okay? People outside of VIP don't know the story, and they don't need to don't need to know it. But people in VIP know the story. Yeah. So the conclusion is clear. We'll have people trying to get in our community, trying to pinch some members to tell them, well, join me on other server, I'll give you some money, I'll show you the better trades, and then you know what will happen, yeah? Either you'll click in a link, either you'll put some money where you should not put the money, either the calls are shit, you know the drill. If you are not profitable with VIP or premium, is because you are not consistent. You are not paying attention. You don't have a plan. You don't need other communities. Trust me. You can go on any community you want. I don't have a problem. Just pay attention and protect your capital. I set up this community really nice. No referrals, no shit, no bad behavior, nothing. It's like a safe haven for everyone. That doesn't mean if you see us behaving nicely, not scamming, not pretending to be more than we are, not show you only results, that outside of crypto traders arena is the same. No. Outside is a mess. And nobody could help you. You have to pay attention, and you have to protect your own money. Okay? Okay, people, let's get back here. So coins like this, yes, look at it. I want to buy something like this. Why not? Buy, sell half on a double, get a risk-free position. If you'll cure cancer, will be the next Google, next Amazon, next Apple. Well, okay, I could even let some coins to my grandkids. It's free. If we go to zero, again, it's free. Okay, people, I could go on the entire list. I could go on the entire list on Binance. I could go on the entire list on CoinMarketCap, except some pump fine coins that will definitely stay at zero. Some coins will pump. Yeah. You are here to make money. Buy the low, sell half on a double. If you are not able to trade, don't worry. Buy low, sell half on a double, and keep the rest. Make a simple plan. You can even name the plan Dead Coins plan. Huh? Then you buy what you see looking like this. Sell half on a double. Be patient. You can wait months for selling half on a double. And after you are risk-free, you don't care. You want to learn to trade? You want to become a swing trader? Well, we still have late registration in Capua 1. You'll have to DM me. I don't know about Capua 2. I don't know if we have more room. You have to DM Stefan. But to learn the process, to learn our way to trade, you'll have to join Capo One. Someone said, well, I don't need to do the program. I'll learn from the live streams. Well, if you have 3-5 years to learn, and if you are consistent and you are I don't know, you know how to journal and take notes every moment, yeah, it's possible. I saw people doing that. Even one of our gladiators did that. But it's time consuming, people. You'll have to do that for the next 4-year cycle. You don't have time to do it now. It's hard. Partially I did that, and it's damn hard and a lot of work. For what? Then you'll spend more money testing yourself than you spend in a program. Trust me. Or don't trust me. Okay. Shitcoins are still there for you people. Look at this one. I'm not saying this one will pump, but if the narrative with games will come back, I think this one could do something. At least $2, no? This is a big fucking power of 3. Look at it. A lot of coins are looking similar. I don't need to show you all of them. Okay. Let's go on lower time frame and let's see what we have on Bitcoin. As I said in the general chat, people, I said in the general chat, we are still in the Monday range. So let's play the range game. Let's play the Monday low. Let's play the Monday high. We are back here. We are back at the middle of the range. I don't suggest you to trade in the middle of the range. We confirmed the W, which a W is a W, doesn't matter. It's stronger signal in a long reload zone. It's weaker outside of long reload zone, but if you look left, you have a kind of a support here. And look what happened when we did W's. So don't come here and short Bitcoin. If you want to short, you want to scalp short, or you want to day trade short, wait for the Monday high. Wait for this level. Yeah? Yesterday in the live stream, you remember I said short. In the Stefan live stream, I said, I'll take this short. Stefan said, well, looks like a trap. Maybe you'll take this one. But when he saw that the market doesn't have the power, he changed his mind and he posted a short everywhere. And look how much money he made on the downside. Everyone should make money, should be able to take that trade. Took that trade. He posted in a public live stream on YouTube. Doesn't get better than that. You don't need to be VIP. Yeah, indeed, it's what we do on VIP, but this time every Tuesday is. Yeah? And then here at the lows, he took a long. And now I was waiting for the Monday low. I did change my mind. Stefan, you know me better. I changed my mind. I'm long now. I'm a happy camper. What do you say? Yeah. Actually, my entry is, I'll tell you now because I have the other computer here. $111.86. So somewhere in here is my entry. I'm a happy camper, people. Late entry. Well, that entry wasn't late. Trust me, wasn't late at all. So now, in the middle of the range, usually I want to take some profit off. I'll move my stop to scratch. Maybe I'll take some off. If I'll see the market pushing higher to the Monday high, I'll definitely take some profit off. First level you should pay attention is this EM. Don't be too aggressive here. If we'll take the Monday high again, or SFU these levels, I'll definitely take more profit off. So, play the range. SFUs above. Try to think short. Long in the Monday low, and you can see 110 is big fat round number. Some liquidity hidden there, most probably. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Similar. A bit weaker than Bitcoin for the moment, but you can see it's consolidating here and it's confirming this double. Similar with Bitcoin. What is nicer on Ethereum, look what happened. Who knows how to play the range made nice money here. This was on Asia session. This was last night. You should play the middle of the range? No. You should play the top? Yes, equal highs there. Probably will do a nice SFU and will come back down. What is the biggest level we want to SFU? It's this one. We talked yesterday about it. But if the market will play this range, I'll stay the fuck out and I'll wait until this level will hit. If will hit, no, I have to play this range. The only question is, it's big enough for me to be profitable? And the answer is yes. For a scalper, yeah, it's enough. Okay, shitcoins. Let's put a 4-hour chart and let's see some shitcoins. ENA. I'm still long, people. I still have a small position there. Alt. It's in the long reload zone, and now on 4-hour chart, what do we have here? We have a W. Maybe the news, because we have some news this week, will push the market back down to retest this W. That could be a nice entry. You have location. You have some bullish divergence here. Probably, yes, you have. Look at the OBV. A retest of this W could trigger a long. Who is long already? Well, good job. Hype is curing cancer again. Yeah? We are long. I still have some. We bought this one at $10 when everyone said that it's a scam. And now it's curing cancer again. Nothing I can do about it, people. When was low, we bought. Everyone say, well, it's a scam, it's shit. We wait lower. Now it's at 55. I'm trading. I'm not investing. It's impossible for me to invest at $55. But I'm trading. I'm taking LJs. I'm taking retest of Ws. And I'm making money. And people, well, I should invest here? What I should answer? What will be the correct answer? Please tell me. Okay. Link. Well, I don't know about location. But we had distribution and now we have something else. Let's flip the fucking chart. There you go. What do you see here? Another distribution. Stefan. Consider that we flip the chart. Maybe something there. Some W's forming. But everything looks similar. This one is a new shitcoin. We should wait lower. Yeah, we played this one. We made some money. But now we should wait for... You know how we play. It's nice and shiny. Yeah, it's listed on Binance. When it's not shiny anymore, we'll come back here at 78.6 or even test the lows. And that's the moment we'll say, well, it's dead. Yes, people are saying it's dead. Let's buy some. Well, the price is moving like that. How is curing cancer? Shitcoin, you buy at low, at the lows, you sell it at the top, and you take care of yourself with the money not to get cancer. I'm joking, man. It's just a way of saying it's pumping like crazy. That's the idea. Look at this one. What do you see here on Portal? See something that you like? Swing low, W, pump, back down in the long reload zone, no W, lower lows, some yams, stay out, wait. Exactly the message we had. Yeah, I prefer a W here. Well, now he's trying to make a W. Now looks different. You don't see yams, you see Ws. Now it's time to pay attention. Maybe even play a setup. It's the last one in my list, Dennis. Just wait a little bit. So pay attention or Portal. Fight. Well, don't chase here. Back in the long reload zone, you can see. Ugly. We made a lower low and then we pumped. And then we retested only 60% and pumped again. Don't chase it here. Solana. Well, Solana is strong. Nothing I can do. This is not correct. Could pump? Yes. How high? Well, let's zoom out. Let's see how high this one could pump. One day. Well, I could see a retest of this level. Even Ethereum tested the all-time high, and Solana is below that level. I think Solana could do $5K, $500, sorry, soon enough. But, well, no. People who say no, Solana is not so, yeah, could go to 500 pretty fast. I recommend to buy it here close to the short low zone. No. We bought our Solana a lot lower here. Remember when I said $100 is a fucking gift? Who remembers when I said that? Please, someone. Tell me that someone is remembering when I said $100 is the best level you can get. If we'll touch 100, we'll buy. You think I'm tempted to buy it now? No. I fucking bought the bottom of the retest. Yeah? If you bought with me, now you have a short. Now you are a happy camper. You have another risk-free position. Now, to chase it here, yeah, could go to 5, could go to $1,000. Yes, indeed. But technical analysis says that we should stay the fuck out because short reload zone. We don't buy in short reload zones. We sell half on a double this time on the short reload zones. Could push a lot higher. I could see the strength. I could see comparing with the other coins that still some potential there. Yes. That's why I'm not selling my free bags. By the way, as a disclaimer, I have a lot of Solana. Maybe too much. Anyway, most of the coins are risk free, so. But you get the idea. So it's a new shitcoin everywhere. Yeah, we made money here on lower time frame. Let's go on 1 hour back. We made some money with this pump here. Similar. Wait to retest the lows, people. Don't chase a new coin. Was a pump and then a dump and then a pump, and this is not a bottom. SSV. Let's put 4-hour chart. It's consolidating. If you zoom out, this area below $10, it's investable. I'm not saying to day trade. I'm saying to think about investments. Okay? Let's put the daily chart to see where we sit. There you go. Don't ask me 10 times 10x higher where to buy this one. I'm not saying to day trade. I'm saying investing. If we put 4-hour chart, you can see we had the pump, we had the dump, we had the W in the long reload zone, pump, another W in the long reload zone, another pump. Now we need to let it cool off and find a new setup. Tao. Nice W here. I missed this one, but it's weaker than the rest and will probably touch 61.8, maybe even lower. Who knows? I'm not touching Tao for the moment. Tia. Similar. It's a gift here. It's investable. I should chase it? No. We had a W here and we have the pump. The best level you can play here? You know already what I'll say, no? Retest of this W. That will be a nice entry for us. Simple as that. Ton. Fighting $3. Up to you. Town. Made some money with this shitcoin. But don't chase here. You can see where the long reload zone is. Wait for the next W. Okay. Yes. You can see. A new day, a new high. And lastly, someone said about this one. We spoke about this one, man. Someone said about Dennis. On 4-hour chart, you can see we talked about yesterday or a couple of days ago. Even this one was a good level. Yeah, it's a clear power of 3. You can see consolidation, deviation, and back in the range and pump. Too many news, too many big money implied in this one. Yeah, you saw son of Trump was out, is in. Justin Sun is posting that he's on the list of people that cannot sell and dump on us. You know, huh? It's dangerous to play here. I suggest to buy some spot and forget about it. Is the best level to buy spot? Well, people, it's a new shitcoin. Could go from 20 cents to 4 cents to 1 cent to 20 cents to 10 cents, 5 cents, and so on. Yes. Imagine what Justin Sun and other, not Justin Sun specifically, but the coin, the address that got locked away and they cannot access. What they'll do? Even if they are break even, what they'll do with this one? They'll get together. I'll tell you what I will do if I'll be in their place. I'll get together with the rest of them if I'm Justin Sun, and I'll say, "Fuck it, let's play a game." And when we got the coins unlocked, we'll set a timer and we'll say tomorrow at 5 p.m. every one of us will sell. And we'll dump everything back right down exactly at the bottom. Then I'll buy back on a different account. It's just me. You think if I could think about something like this, you think Justin Sun is thinking or other people? What will happen? Why it's profitable to dump all of the sudden everything? Because beginners, retailers that they bought here, if they'll see the market going down, they'll panic and they'll sell. And the price will go even lower. And then I could buy at discount lower and be profitable, buying lower than retail thinks about it. It's not a con, it's something simple. You know how the market is working, you manipulate the market to make some money. I see it every day on the market. Getting together, panic selling, organize a selling pressure, public getting scared, well, it's going to zero. Sell the bottom because retail is known to sell the bottom. And low, as low as possible. Some buying orders will wait. And we'll get some fills. And then we'll say, well, let's pump this shit back up. And the public that sold the bottom will buy the top. Because now is the best thing, is curing cancer. The game is not hard, people. Just don't be on the wrong side of the players. Don't be the public. We recommend here to buy the bottom. We don't recommend to buy the top. We don't recommend chasing. If you see panic selling, or maybe this was it on this power of 3. What happened here? And then they made the W, they bought back, they retest, and we can pump. It's not hard. It's hard to master your emotions and not be part of the public. Anyway, I have a position here. We talked about this one, and I think in VIP, and I talked about this one in yesterday or 2 days ago live stream. Hopefully you got the idea. And if you want to play power of 3, you can play it in 2 ways here. Yeah? You can play it as a retest of the W. You can play it as go on 1 hour and play an LJ, okay, or even lower. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You see the yam? Yeah, it's clear as day. Okay. And you take this one, and you take this one, okay? And you see, well, it's validated the trend line here, respected the trend line, and confirmed the trend line here and here. Wait for a W the other side of the trend line, and you have an LJ. Come on. It's possible. There are multiple ways how you can trade this one. Okay? Okay. It's 10 and 10. 10 and 10 minutes AM in my time zone. Stefan is barely waiting to start the VIP live stream. Trade. What time frame, Stefan? BMX. Comics. Let's see. Well, it's investable if you look at the daily chart, even weekly. It's hiding. There you go. Not a weekly W yet, but look at the weekly Ws on OBV. They are there already. This is a weekly W, people, on OBV. Not a weekly W in price, but we can assume that this is the range that will form the bottom. Yeah, I think so. We have a great risk to reward here. Well, point. Acceptable, especially if you take a trade here. If you buy with little old lady, sell half on a double and keep the rest. If you are dollar cost averaging, well, expect short reloads on to sell some. If you play a trade here and you wait a bit lower, let's see daily. Acceptable. We had a pump and dump on lower time frame. Let's see for our chart. OBV is looking nice. RSI is looking nice. We have some W's. Retest. Could be something there. Yeah, I could see something. Okay, people. Let's go back on our business here on Bitcoin. Don't trade the middle of the range. Play the SFUs if it's the case with clear setups. Play the SFUs on the downside, long ideas if we'll manage. Similar on Ethereum. And in meantime, if let's say that Ethereum and Bitcoin are in a range and nothing we can do exactly like Stefan. We can hunt other setups on some shitcoins. Yeah? Clear risk management. Remember that you are here to make money. You are not here to buy shitcoins. You are not here to, I don't know, buy coins that are curing cancer today and they are shit tomorrow. You are here to make money. And to make money, you need a plan, risk management, and clear setups. Okay? I said yesterday to some people, put a note in front of your computer. I'm here to make money. Not to buy the top, not to listen to the influencers, not to have emotions. I'm here to make money. That will keep you out of some trouble. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you people in VIP. See you people in New York session. If you are only a general member, you're not part of the premium part. See you tomorrow morning. Okay? Couple of you people, we have live stream at 4 p.m. Yeah? 4 p.m. UTC. As usual, every Wednesday. Plan and plans and master plan and things like that. Okay? See you people. Bye bye.